How you guys doing? So this is Can Turbo here. We're trying to do a FSI carbon clean on this 2011 Audi S5 direct injection. We got a sloppy show here of really good carbon buildup, and our aim today is to get this engine cleaned. We've got 8 cylinders, 32 valves, and a whole lot of walnut shells. So we originally tried a gravity feed abrasive blaster kit. Well, that didn't actually pan out. Might as well just throw a bunch of walnut shells on your engine and call it that. Then we went on to different types of concepts of what we should use, and basically we came up with this contraption here, a pressurized sandblaster modified by yours truly to deliver on demand. We've got this beautiful vacuum attachment that's actually meant for a Toyota, but it is quite unique. It works, it does the trick. It's actually made in Germany, as it says, and just has the regular port intake, which I had to tape up the sides here of the FSI so we could get a good seal. If you don't tape up these sides here, the walnuts will blast into your face and everywhere around. So let's see in about 30 seconds what this looks like.